Hi, today I'm gonna talk about how to use the hearing aid Bernafone and how to change the battery and and some tips to after use every night. Okay, let's talk about in the box. In the box here that we have the hearing aid here and had the box the case, and we have the battery and it has the cleaning kit here, and also we have the silica gel right here, and this is the moist box, and this is the box on the hearing aid. Okay, we've got the hearing aid, so you can see the hearing aid here. Okay, this is the silicone that that is especially made for each user. Okay, and this is the stick to pick out the battery this side, and for this side it is for the picking out the earwax here for cleaning, and this is the cloth. This is the cloth to clean the hearing aid. Okay, let's talk about the hearing aid first. This is a hearing aid. Okay, the battery is in here already in place, and we talk about the battery. The battery is the battery is specially made for the hearing aid. It has to be A13, the size A13 only, and each battery lasts for about 2 weeks. So it means that when you change the battery, so it takes about like 2 weeks. Okay, it can use for 2 weeks, and it can be used for 2 weeks. And you see the hearing aid here. How do you know when you want to change the battery? It said that the user gonna hear the beep. When you hear the beep, so it means that the battery is very low. Okay, it's quite low already, so you can change it. Or sometimes some users they just let it goes off. Okay, just let it go off. So now you know, just like, okay, I can't hear anything at all. So it just like it's the end of the battery. The battery is run out. Okay, let's see how to change when you hear the beep and you want to change the battery. So there are two ways that you can change the battery. So you can use your hand to change the battery, to take it out, or you can use just a stick to help you to get the battery out. Okay, but I'm gonna use the first method first. All right. When you change the battery, when you take out your hearing aid, and then you see, okay, and if you see some earwax out here, so you can just use the stick, this side, the pointy side here, to pick out all the earwax out of this, and then just clean it. And when you want to change the battery, so this is like your hearing aid, and then you just turn this side up. When you turn this side up here, okay, you can see the flap here, okay, right here. So you can just press it down. Just press it down here, down to the end. And then when it's out here, so you see the two sides. When you take it out here, when the flap is down, so you can see the two sides. This side is the red side, and this is the other side. Okay, when you want to take the battery out, so you turn to this side, and then you just press the battery out here. So it's very simple. See? So you get the battery out here. And when you want to put the battery in, install the battery in, so we have to do the opposite side. So we have to turn the red side up, and you can use the just see the battery from the flat side here. Okay, you have to take the flat side up to match the red side here. Okay, just put it in here, place it in here. Okay, and then you just close it. Okay, and then you can use it because this is the volume buttons, just volume up, volume down here, so you can just adjust your desirable volume. Okay, for the other way, so we can use this one to take the battery out. Okay, it may be easier for some of you guys. Okay, like it's the same thing. So you just take your hearing aid off, and then you just open the battery case. Okay, and use this side, the magnetic side, this side, to take the battery out, and you lift it off here. Okay, it's very easy, right? And always when you tip the magnetic side, it's always attached to the flat side of the battery, as you can see here. So like this. Okay, and then we pick up the battery, and then you can just put it in the red side here. You have to turn the red side up first, and then you just put the battery in here. Okay, and you put the battery in here, and then you just press. You cannot close the flap if it's improperly installed. Okay, you mean it's like it's gonna stuck. Okay, you just press it till the end and just close it. Yes, that's right, and you're ready to go. Okay, and for the care of the hearing aid, so it is recommended every night after use. So you can just use the cloth to clean it, and then you just use another cloth to clean this the silicone thing here, and just pick out anything and then you clean them. And every night it is recommended after use, so you can just put it in the box. But sometimes if you forget to turn it off, sometimes when you put it in the box and then you close it, so you can hear the sound, the noise here, right? So it means that it's still turned on. So it's recommended for you every night to just turn it off first by opening the flap here and just put it in the box. Just okay. And it is also recommended for every 2 weeks that you change the battery. So you can just suck out the moist by using this box. Okay, this is the moist box. Yeah. So you can just use when you open it here. So there's the other lid here, and you just put the silica gel inside the box, and then you just put this in here. So you can do it like every 2 weeks that you change the battery, or you can use whenever it's wet. Okay, to suck up all the moist. Okay, but try to keep it dry. Okay, don't let it come in contact with all the water. Okay, and you just put it in here, put all the silica gel in here, and close the lid tight, and then leave it overnight. Okay, and that's it. And then on the next day, so you can just take it out and then just use in your everyday life. Okay. Okay, and to wrap up here, so just remember just to open the flap every night after use, and the battery lasts for 2 weeks for each battery. Okay, and this stick that is used to take the battery out, and this one to pick there's some earwax from here, and then you just use this clean it. And okay, and that's about it. So if you have any questions, so just let me know. Thank you very much.